Good morning, dear students. My name is Abu Jihad Ansari, Associate Professor, Department of English, Raspberry Government Adarsh Women's College. Today we are going to read HSC 2020. HSC examination that will be held in 2022. Short syllabus. We are reading short syllabus of HSC 2022. That will be held in next year. Today's subject English first paper. Short syllabus. Unit 8, Lesson 4. Unit 8, Human Rights. Unit 8, Lesson 4. And the title of the chapter, Amerigo, a Street Child. Serial of the class 43 and 44 according to the instruction of NCTB. Short syllabus, NCTB short syllabus class number 33, 44. 43, 44. Okay, sorry, 43 and 44. Amerigo, a street child. Amerigo, a street child. Amerigo একজন পথশিশু. This lesson narrates the condition of street children by depicting the living of Amerigo, a 13-year-old street child. Amerigo's parents left him on the street. Now he is a 13 and works hard to survive. His first job was to collect trash and sell them to a vendor. Infected by serious disease, he stopped doing that job. Then Amerigo started selling ice cream, but his experience was not good either. Now he lives in great hardship. Still, he thinks himself lucky because his friends have to do risky jobs. Even one of his friends lost his life and another boy lost one of his eyes. Anyway, he desires for his own home and he would like to live with there peacefully. এই পরিচ্ছেদ 13 বছর বয়সী পথশিশু আমেরিগোর জীবনযাত্রা বর্ণনার মাধ্যমে পথশিশুদের অবস্থা বর্ণনা করা হয়েছে। আমেরিগো মা বাবা তাকে পথে ফেলে যায়। আমেরিগোর মা বাবা তাকে পথে ফেলে যায়। এখন তার বয়স 13 বছর এবং সে বাঁচার জন্য কঠোর পরিশ্রম করে। তার প্রথম পেশা ছিল আবর্জনা সংগ্রহ করে একজন বিক্রেতার নিকট বিক্রি করা। মারাত্মক রোগে আক্রান্ত হয়ে সে ওই কাজ ছেড়ে দেয়। এরপর আমেরিগো আইসক্রিম বিক্রি শুরু করে, কিন্তু এই অভিজ্ঞতাও ভালো ছিল না। এখন সে ভীষণ কষ্টের মধ্যে জীবন ধারণ করে। এখনও সে নিজেকে ভাগ্যবান ভাবে, কারণ তার বন্ধুদের ঝুঁকির কাজ করতে হয়। এমনকি তার এক বন্ধু জীবন হারিয়েছে এবং আরেক বন্ধু একটি চোখ হারিয়েছে। যে কোনোভাবে সে তার নিজের একটি বাড়ির আকাঙ্ক্ষা পোষণ করে এবং সেখানে শান্তিপূর্ণভাবে বাস করতে চায়। What do you think are these children? What would you call them in your own language? I think these children are rootless and street children. In my opinion, they are the worst sufferers and helpless children. in our society. They are badly in need of basic human rights. I would call them tokai in my own language. আমার ধারণা মতে এই শিশুরা ছিন্নমূল এবং পথশিশু। আমার মতে তারা আমাদের সমাজের সর্বাধিক দুর্দশাগ্রস্ত এবং অসহায় শিশু। তাদের বিভিন্ন মৌলিক মানবাধিকারের অভাব রয়েছে। আমার নিজের ভাষায় আমি এদেরকে টোকাই বলি। হোয়াট আর দে ডুইং? তারা কী করছে? In the first picture, it is seen that a rootless child is waiting and crying, sitting beside the rail line. In the second picture, two children are trying to collect wastage products for sale. In the third picture, two street children are taking rest after begging or selling products. Do these pictures contradict the idea behind the Universal Declaration of Human Rights? এই ছবিগুলি কি মানবাধিকারের সার্বজনীন ঘোষণার ধারণার বিরোধিতা করে? Yes, all these pictures give us an impression of contradiction behind the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. In all these pictures, we can see that all are street children, and the condition of their life makes them bound to do such work. They are supposed to get the human rights, but they do not. It is a strong opposition of human rights. How you got such children in your locality? What problem do they have in their lives? তুমি কি তোমার এলাকায় এরকম কিছু শিশু পেয়েছো? তাদের জীবন ধারণের কী সমস্যা রয়েছে? Yes, in our locality there are some children. They are either yes, in our locality there are such children. They are either abandoned by parents or orphaned. They have many problems in their lives, such as they do not get proper food, clothes, shelter or education. They have many problems in their lives, such as they do not get proper food, clothes, shelter and education. They are fully deprived of their all kinds of facilities. Now go to the text. We are reading text. Amerigo, a street child. Amerigo, now Amerigo is speaking himself. Let us read out the text. My name is Amerigo. I am 13 years old and I live on the streets. My mother, who is separated from my father, doesn't want me. She told me to go away. Now she is married to another man. My father lives very far away. I want to go to him, but he won't take me either. I begged him to send me some money so that I could buy a bus ticket. I am still waiting. He hasn't answered. আমার নাম আমেরিগো। আমার বয়স 13 বছর। আমি রাস্তায় একা একই বসবাস করি। আমার মা, যে আমার পিতা থেকে পৃথক থাকে, আমাকে চান না। তিনি আমাকে চলে যেতে বলেছিলেন। এখন তিনি অন্য একজনকে বিয়ে করেছেন। আমার পিতা অনেক দূরে বাস করেন। আমি তার কাছে যেতে চাই, কিন্তু তিনি আমাকে নেবেন না। আমি কিছু টাকা পাঠানোর জন্য তাকে অনুরোধ করেছিলাম, এজন্য যে আমি একটি বাস টিকিট কিনতে পারি। এখন পর্যন্ত আমি অপেক্ষায় আছি। তিনি কোনো উত্তর দেননি। দিস ইজ দ্য স্পিচ অফ আমেরিগো হিমসেলফ। হি টেলস মোর, দ্য স্ট্রিটস আর নাও মাই হোম। এখন রাস্তায় আমার বাড়ি। সামটাইমস আই ফাইন্ড ওয়ার্ক। I used to collect trash and sell it to a vendor. I stopped doing that after I had a serious infection, and a doctor told me to stay away from the trash dump. Once I worked for an ice cream shop owner and sold ice cream on the bench, but I got no money in return. The owner of the shop gave me something to eat and let me sleep in his hut at night. The work was difficult and painful. The ice cream box is quite heavy. When it is full, I had to work for hours, offering my ice cream to whoever wanted to buy. There were days when I could not even sell one piece ice cream. In a way, I am very lucky because I am alive. My friends who work sorting rubbish in dumps often suffer from serious diseases. One of them was recently killed after he had fallen into a hole that opened up in the pile of trash. Many of us work for 10 to 12 hours and get so little in return that we can't even buy food. Shoe shining is very popular among the street kids. A few of my friends also work in factories and workshops. A boy I know lost one of his eyes after a piece of hot glass had fallen into his eye at the glass factory where he worked. The owner refused to pay for medical help and fired him. For me, like all other children on the street, it is very hard. I am always hungry and I don't know where I will sleep the next night. I would like to live in my own home and sleep there in peace. The nights are very cold in the winter. You can die of cold in the street. This is the passage narrated by Amerigo himself about his condition. Answer the following question. What is your impression about Amerigo's parents? Amerigoর পিতামাতা সম্পর্কে তোমার অভিব্যক্তি কী? Amerigo's mother and father are separated from each other. His mother married another man and his father lives far away. Amerigo wants to live with them, but they do not want that. In my opinion, both of Amerigo's father and mother are self-centered. They only think about themselves, not for Amerigo. They are not well aware of the well-being of Amerigo. What was Amerigo's first job? What made him stop doing that job? Amerigo's first job was collecting trash and selling it to vendor. Once he had a serious infection and a doctor told him to stay away from the trash dump. So he stopped doing that, such kind of work. How is Amerigo's experience of selling ice cream? Amerigo's experience of selling ice cream was very painful. He had to Amerigo's experience of selling ice cream was very painful. He had to work for hours, carrying a box full of ice cream. He offered ice cream to the buyers. Sometimes he could not even sell one ice cream. The owner of Amerigo did not pay him any money in return. Rather, he provided him with food and accommodation. How does Amerigo evaluate his life now? Does he have any opinion to change it? The evaluation of Amerigo's life is very painful. He finds out that his life is full of sorrow and misery. But he wants to improve his life. He can take some steps for changing his life. Firstly, he can convince his owner to give him proper payment. He can reserve some money for future and try to set up himself in his own business. He can also involve himself in taking mass education. In this way, he can change his lot. What does Amerigo desire now? Should he desire such things? Why and why not? Amerigo now desires to live in his own home and sleep there in peace. In my opinion, his desire of such things is not illogical, because everyone has the right to expect anything from society. It is his basic right. If you were Amerigo, what would you do? যদি তুমি Amerigo হতে তুমি কি করতে? If I were Amerigo, I would take some steps in uplifting my life. যদি আমি Amerigo হতাম, first of all, I would manage my owner to give my proper wage. I would reserve some of them and try to do something for the future. I would also try to take education from school. I would also try some technical works that might help me in my future. Have you ever met a boy or girl like Amerigo? Write about him or her. Yes, I met a boy named Arif like Amerigo. He lived with his grandmother. He carried papers for selling. Okay, thank you. We read the text about Amerigo. In our next class, we will discuss about the text. Okay, thank you.